In this video, I'm going to teach you how to skip trace leads with PropStream. In order to do that, you first need to head over to PropStream.com and into this part, proceed to click on the This Try It Free option. So with this, you should be able to get 7 days of free trial into PropStream right there. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on the This Login option that will appear right here. Now, from in here, I have in here this particular article that can help us trace a list. So to do that, you just need to have in here this. You can do this by going over to the list that you have. So if you don't have a list yet, select the properties that you want and add it to a list. You can begin by selecting skip tracing and then selecting contacts. And from in there, if you have a lead automator or you are on the elite or pro plans, you'll receive skip tracing for free. However, if you're on the Essentials plan, you will be charged 12 cents per contact. So with this, you have two options. You can get the list for the contacts that you have imported using the contact page. You can get in here the favorites tab, as well as the marketing list that you have, which are the save results after searching and filtering, as well as skip tracing jobs that are lists that have been skip traced in the past. So you can see that you can skip trace an individual property or a lot of them, and there are no minimums when it comes to PropStream skip tracing. You can just select a list or select a property, and then from in there, add selected contacts and transfer all of them to the contacts below. You can enable skip tracing through that way, then proceed and click on done. After that, accept and place your order from here, and then it will process the skip tracing. So from there, just wait it out, and once it's done, you should be able to get the details from that particular skip trace shop that you have posted directly from here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.